In this video, we're going to In this video, we're going to adjust our input response to actually display back to the user what they inputted. So if I type hello, you'll see that hello is inputted and shown back to the user. And then what we're also going to do is adjust our scroll bar so that if I continue to type things, we're always going to scroll to the bottom, which is going to be a nice usability feature while still letting you scroll back up and see the history of what you've typed. But every time you type something new, right back to the bottom. Let's get started. Alright, so in the last video, we started sending responses back to the user when they type something, but these responses are really generic and don't really reflect what was typed in. And so what we need to do in this video is actually make it so that we can adjust what is getting sent back to the user based on what they type, or at least get that started if not fully complete. So the first thing we want to do is take a look at this input response scene that we made. So it's really nice, we're able to continually reuse it, which has been great, but the problem is we don't really have much control over what it's outputting. And in order to adjust this, we're going to add a script to our input response scene here. So I'm going to select input response. And one thing, make sure that if you have an input response variable here in another scene, for example, an instance of it, make sure you're doing this in the base scene itself. So if we want to add a script to input response and I do it in our game scene or on an instance, if I add a script here, you'll notice that I've added this script to the instance of input response, but if I go to the scene itself, it does not have a script. So you want to make sure when you add a script to something, you're doing it on the base scene itself, in the scene file. So what I'm going to do is get rid of this one here, this instance, and then in input response, in the actual scene itself, I'm going to add a script. You'll see it's actually telling us to load because we just created the script. So this is perfect, and now whenever we instance our input response scene, all those instances will have the same script, which is exactly what we want. So in this script, we want to provide ways for us from code to adjust both the input that the user gave and the response that the game is giving back to the user. So in order to do that, we need to get references to both of our input history and response. Now, we could do onReady var like we saw in the previous one. So I could say onReady var response, for example, and set it equal to response. And this is fine, but with these input responses, we are only going to need to set them once. When we create them, we're going to set their values and then never care about them again. And so if we do onReady var here, we're going to be saving these response and input history variables in memory for the entirety of the existence of this input response, even though we're never going to set them again. So it kind of makes more sense in this case for us to not store them as variables, but to only access them on the fly as needed. The downside is that when you use this $, when you try to access nodes in the tree, it's somewhat slow. But in our case, it's not going to be any issue at all because we're doing it rarely, and it's not slow enough that you'll actually notice it unless you're doing it many, many, many times repeatedly. So it's worth it for us to save on memory a little bit and do something that's slightly slower. So what we're going to do is have a function, and we'll say function set text. And here we're going to say input as a parameter, and we're going to type this as a string. So we're using static types here. Again, if you're not familiar with static types in GDScript, I've got a video on my channel going over everything you need to know about static types, so I would definitely recommend watching that. So we're going to have an input here that's going to be a string, and this is just going to be a way for us to pass in what the user inputted. And we're going to have a response, which is also going to be a string. No return type. And here what we're going to do is say input history.text equals input.
No response.
Now, this is going to be good, except when we do this, we're going to overwrite this caret here. So what we really want to do is actually say quotation mark, and we'll do space, caret, space, just like we have there, and then we'll do the plus sign and then input. And what we're doing here is we're taking two strings, the input string we're passing in, and this hard-coded string we're adding to every time we set the text, and we are concatenating them. Concatenation is the word when you add or combine strings. So we're going to concatenate both of these strings together. So whenever we set our input history text, we're always going to prefix it with this caret, which is what we want to make it match what we've got out here right now. So now that we've got that, we're good to start doing that with our response. So we're going to say response, and we're just going to set this to be response. Because it's already a string, we don't need to know anything there. And be aware and make sure you're not just saying response equals response, but actually response.text. And this is actually setting the text property on that label. So if I select this response property or this response scene, you'll notice that the property we're actually setting is this text property. If you mouse over, you see the property is just text. So again, we're not accessing the response label itself, but we're accessing and changing the text property on the response label. So that's why we're adding this .text and not just saying response equals response. So now we've got a function where we're able to give the input and a response to our input response scene and see that in our game. So now what we can do in our game is when we add this input response child, we're actually before we do it, we can say input response, and we can call that function that we just set, which is set text. And you'll notice that Godot is able to autocomplete that function for us because when you use preload, it is able to pull the script data from this, because this is a static file, it's not changing, we're preloading it, we're able to actually pull information from that script, and so it knows that this set text function exists on that script now, and we can pass in our input. And so our input is getting passed into this function here on our game as new text. So we'll say new text. And then remember, we also require a response parameter. We don't have responses right now, so we'll just hard code something for show. This is where a response would go. And now, and we'll change this later, but now if I start our game and start typing something and I type hello, you'll see that it's actually printing out whatever we typed. What? So cool. This is amazing. Please subscribe. Oops, subliminal marketing in there, please excuse me. But so anyway, you see that we've got some output actually, like we're actually responding to what the user types. This is really cool. It's so easy now, and we've actually got something that's kind of responding to our game. It'd be a lot cooler if our response actually matched, but we'll get there in a second. One One other thing is that it'd be a little bit nicer if we kind of had some separation between blocks here. So we do want the input and the response to be close together, but if there's a little bit more space in between here, that would be nice. So we can set that right now. And the way I'm going to do that is come back to our scene, and I'm going to hit our history rows here. And what I'm going to do is come to our custom constants and change our separation to be about 20. And what this is going to do is it's going to set a bit of separation between each of our input response children we give to it. Remember, it's not going to change the space between these two because this is controlled within the separation of our input response itself, but it will set the separation between the instances of each input response. What we can actually do here is manually set the separation to 0 to make sure it's close together. Can you do negative? So you can also do negative. We can make it super close together, but that's not looking very good. But we will keep it set at 0 just to make sure it's very clear that this input and this response are tied together. So now if we run our game, I hit Command B and I type something, we'll see that our input and our response are close together. But if I type something else, there's a bit of a space between them. So it just is a little bit more clear now which input and which response go with each other. It's easier for the user to identify. They don't have to keep track of it or get confused about it. So just a small change that adds a little bit of readability to our game. Okay, so one other change that would be nice to make is that when we start typing a lot and we get down, we can't really see the new things we're typing because our scroll bar is getting stuck at the top. And if we scroll to the bottom and keep doing stuff, it doesn't really help. So if we had a way to automatically bring our scroll bar to the bottom when we type something new, that would be kind of nice. And Godot actually provides a way for us to do that. So we're going to do it right now. So if we come to our scroll container, you'll see that there are a number of properties here, or signals here, but they're not really super helpful. But if I add a scroll bar to our game, a V scroll bar, and we're not going to keep it here, but just for the purpose of demonstration, you'll see that there's a changed property here. And this changed property this signal is emitted whenever the maximum or minimum value of the scroll bar changes, or the page or the step, which is how many pages it's at or how much each step of scrolling does. It does not get emitted when the value of the scroll bar, so where the scroll bar actually is, changed, which is good because we don't want that. But it does get emitted when the scroll bar's minimum or maximum scroll amount changes. So we'll get rid of this for now, but the reason I wanted to show that is because a scroll container creates a V scroll bar and an H scroll bar under the hood. We're not using the horizontal one because we've gotten rid of it, but we do have the vertical or the V scroll bar underneath. So if we want to have our scroll container automatically scroll to the bottom every time something new is typed, we can do that by connecting and using the changed signal that we saw on the V scroll bar. So first, we need to get access to our scroll container. I'm going to just call this scroll. I'm going to rename our scroll container so our path isn't as long. And I'm going to say onReady var scroll. And I'm just going to start typing scroll after the $, and it should fill in for me. And so now we've got our scroll container. But we need to get the vertical scroll bar that our scroll container has. And so what I can say is onReady var scroll bar and set this to be scroll. And you'll see there's a get v scroll bar function built into a scroll container. And so when we call this, it's going to return the v scroll bar that we can use to get our V scroll bar and connect to our change property. So now in our ready function, which I'm going to add, we can say scroll bar dot connect, and you'll see it automatically fills a list of signals on our scroll bar, and we see this change signal that we saw before in the editor. And so I'm going to connect the change signal, and you'll see it wants you to connect, or the parameters for connect are the signal to connect to, which object to connect that signal to, and then which method or function on that object to call. So we want to connect to our scroll bar's change signal. And then the object we want to connect that signal to is our game, which we can reference in our code by writing self. This is similar to Python or Java or other object-oriented languages. So this is saying connect our scroll bar's change signal to this script, to whatever script this is, which is our game. And then we have to give it a function on our game script to use. And so we're going to say function handle scroll bar changed. And remember, when we looked at the changed signal, there were no parameters, so we won't have any parameters here. And right now we'll just do pass, which is just a placeholder to say ignore this for now. And so we're going to need to take this name and give it in our connect as a parameter here. And so it tries to fill in some, and we should be able to find, it'll be faster if I just paste it in. So remember, the method is a string here. Unfortunately in Godot 3.2 you have to use a string here, but in Godot 4.0 you'll be able to actually use this as a symbol, so you don't have to, you can get good auto completion on it. You won't have to change your string here if the function name changes. But so what we're doing here is the exact same thing as if we had connected it via the editor. So it's like double clicking one of these and then connecting this function here. It's doing the exact same thing just via code. And there's reasons to do it via the editor or via code. Typically anything that's UI based or anything that's just a signal that's always on something, it's easier to do it via the editor because it's easier to see those connections in your editor. You can see them, that they exist either in the signals tag, or you see that it's got a connection symbol on it. But sometimes you have to do it via code. When you're instancing things programmatically or accessing something via code, you also need to connect to those signals via code, which is why we're doing it here. But whether it's via code or via the editor, they're both totally valid and will accomplish the same thing. So whenever our scroll bar emits the change signal, this handle scroll bar change function is going to get called. So it's within here that we need to actually implement our scrolling to the bottom. And in order to do that, it's actually pretty easy. We can just say scroll vertical. And so this is if you look at our scroll container, you'll see the scroll vertical property here. It's called scroll vertical. So this is what we're adjusting. And we're going to set the scroll vertical to be our scroll bar max value. And so what we're doing here is we're saying, hey, scroll container, scroll vertically down to as far as your vertical scroll bar can go. It's a bit convoluted. It's unfortunate that it's not a little bit easier to do this, or that we can't do it all within our scroll container. We have to actually access our scroll bar, but it's a small price to pay to have this functionality. And so if I run this now, and you'll see that when I tried to type something, we actually got an error again. It's the same one we had before, the can't call a function in null instance. And the reason why is because we changed, again, our history rows from scroll container. We changed this to just be scroll, and we never updated it. So that was my bad. But now if I change that and run our game again and start typing things, we'll see that once we type enough to get a scroll bar, we're always scrolling to the bottom. So this is
with the air. Over. Nope. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's got me. Okay, scroll bar. Okay. Let's see. Spawn. Ready, void. Yeah. Scroll bar. Dot connect. Changed. Changed. There's space after that, maybe? No, I don't think so. Okay. C, yeah. Scroll bar. Bar dot. Take a second. Dot changed. Connect. Scroll bar changed. See, does it work? No. And it's following. It's good.
Now if I change that and run our game again and start typing things, we'll see that once we type enough to get a scroll bar, we're always scrolling to the bottom. So this is really awesome. It's moving us to the bottom and we're always there. The problem now is if you try to scroll up, it's actually
Uh, oh, I still have this. Whoops. There we go.
unable to. It's not letting us. And the reason this is happening is because whenever we try to scroll, we are altering the page property of our scroll bar. And remember that this changed signal gets emitted whenever the minimum, maximum values, the step, or the page property on our scroll bar are changed. So we only want this function to be called when our max scroll value changes. But unfortunately, the signal's being emitted and this function's being called at other times when we don't want it, and it's preventing us from scrolling. So the way we're going to get around that is to keep track of our max scroll value and only actually let this function do something and bring us to the bottom if our max scroll length has changed. So I'm going to create a new variable called variable max scroll length, and this is just going to be an integer. I'm going to set it to 0 for now. It doesn't really matter. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say scroll max scroll length equals scroll bar dot max value. And so now we're setting a baseline for our max scroll length. And then whenever we get to this scroll bar change function, we only want to do something if our new scroll bar max value is different than our previous max scroll length. So I'm going to say if max scroll length does not equal scroll bar dot max value, then there's a couple things we need to do. One is say max scroll length equals scroll bar dot max value. So we need to update our max scroll length to meet or to match our new max scroll value. And then it's only within this if statement that we actually want to scroll to the bottom. And I'm going to change this to be max scroll length. I missed that. I'm supposed to be an M. And so now what's going to happen is we're only going to scroll down to the bottom when our scroll length changed. And it's important that you actually update our new scroll length here to make sure this works. So now if I run this and I start typing, you'll see that when I type we're still sticking to the bottom, which is good. But now if I try scrolling, it actually lets us scroll up and move around because our max scroll length is not changing. Therefore, even though that signal is being emitted, we aren't actually doing anything. So this is perfect. And if I type something when we're scrolled up, you'll see that it'll bring me right back to the bottom. So this is exactly what we want. You're able to go back and look at your history, but if you type something new, it'll bring you to the bottom. So this is a perfect medium. We've got something where we can scroll up and see our history, but also where whenever we type something new, it's going to bring us to the bottom of our scroll history again. So I think this is a good place to stop for up. So max scroll.
If max scroll length does not equal scroll bar max value.
Length. I missed that. That was supposed to be an M.
Scroll up. It works. Perfect.
It'll bring you to the bottom. So this is a perfect medium. We've got something where we can scroll up and see our history, but also where whenever we type something new, it's going to bring us to the bottom of our scroll history again. So I think this is a good place to stop for now. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hope this video has been helpful. If it has, a like and subscribe to support the channel are always appreciated. We'd love to have you in our Discord server. Link to that is in the description. Feel free to ask any questions about the tutorial there. And if you find my work helpful, donating a coffee on Buy Me a Coffee, linked also in the description, helps me continue to make great tutorials.
Okay. Oh, I have like lots of mythic currency. Or is it lots? I don't know. Feature bi-weekly? Oh, 150. That seems like a lot. How do you... And then you just try to summon, I guess? Sunken Shadows Nami, I guess. What? Oh, it's these. Uh, hmm. Romance. Champion own. Surprise. Blue Essence. Hooray. Who that I really like is probably this one. Open the Vards again. Ooh, I knew Leona. Really. I should have named her after the pizzas. Oh man. What it is, you gotta pick a flex. Ah, that's fine. Yeah. Wait, I just want move speed. Maybe. How do I get rid of that stupid thing? God, I hate Birdman. There we go. Okay. I'm not, no dude, this isn't fucking 2020. I'm not doing that trade jungle or bot. Yeah, there you go. Wait to see picks before asking for trade. Give me that. Or don't. Probably do this. Really want this, but gross. Gonna go down. It's sort of necessary for the red probably because they'll start at red if they're doing it late. You would think. Yeah. Yeah. You just play it straight, it'll be fine. I don't want to get PK'd here. Where are they? Oh, which is around. I'm gonna give her a go. Probably from the bush would be smart. Nope. There you go. That's good. That's really good. Ready to jump. Yep. Don't get one more auto. It's really bad. There you go. Yeah, that's why you don't get one more autoed. That's why you flash for it. Yeah, that's okay. It's no worries, dude. It would have happened if it was AD though. Oh, fucking sucks. Ari almost saved her too. Yeah. Oh no, Yasuo, what are you doing? Yeah, they're level 3, don't go in. Nice, get them all. Holy. Oh my god, feels amazing. I might be roaming up with Silas from the minimap. Yeah, there they are. You can get this shoved out. Yeah, we can maybe do this. He's AP too, like it's super bad for him. Yeah, she roamed. That sucks. Bad timer for me. Chris could just jump in here. Yeah, it's thanks, Silas, for being reasonable at least. There's not no way, but like it's really hard to guess that Lulu's gonna move. When he comes for that creep, we kill. Why would she do that a second time? I don't know. You'd swear they know I'm here, but like... Didn't even check the bush, like, what's going on? Go, 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 go. Yep. Really easy. Is it a ward in the bush? I don't know. Do I move with Silas? Probably. Just for a second. We try to get Trist early 6. She's gotta be F2, like it's just better if she hits it, even though it's good for me to have it too. Maybe not. Can't. Get that one. Ah, sucks. Could have moved with him maybe, but... Oh, you should have tried. I don't think she could have because... Okay. That's super bad for them at any rate. Yeah. Nice. We win anything here, by the way. He has 6. Fortunate, because he got XP bonus. So he can try, but it's really hard for him because I have X. Don't detether me. Lulu, he's here. He's probably here. Bye, Lulu. Which is gonna come R. I have wave too. I think I opened with wave and then R. He comes. We can do. We can do. We are totally fine, my guy. Okay. We win that, by the way. Like we could just kill. No, we kill. We kill. No, we kill. We all win. We all win. As long as ult hits from me. Yeah. It's free kill. No, we kill it. I used exhaust too. That was the dumbest use of exhaust. I just like had it in my head before using. Go. Cast this spell. He can never get stacks on you. Yep. Ha! Amazing Twitch play. Good with this. Let's get your CS. We already won. Go ward. Oh. Lulu's roaming around the map. Sylas should be diving this. I don't know why he's just running around in a bad way. I'm gonna go dive when he shows up. That would not have killed him, but okay. This is terrible on your part. You should have been diving earlier. Yeah, just got it. It's unfortunate. Wish I had that earlier. You can go if you want. You want to go? She'll lose. Where'd she go? Here? She had to have gone. Oh, we could track her, no problem. What else? We're big ahead. Kill anything. Never once you get Helia and Nami, even though it's so fucking good. Although, probably just get this, yeah. Even more damage. Wait for it. Yeah, it's fine. Any server, any roam equals death. It's okay. My VR bad, I don't fucking know, it's Twitch. I mean, we can do, like, what are they gonna do about it? We can go. There's a warden here, unfortunately. I don't know why we didn't go to Drake though. Like, we're allergic to doing useful things. I'll go ward it, it's fine. Looks like they're both here. Just go, just go. There you go. We can kill him if you want. I think. Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah, I mean, she's leaving and letting Twitch die on repeat though, and we're taking towers, so it's fine. The only thing that can make that bad is people dying for no reason. It's okay though. But FX and he hard, like super hard for him to play. I think I could go Helia this game. Yeah. I mean, we just kill AD carry. Trist is fucking huge. Only reason it's hard to play is because Yasuo is super good against Nami. Ooh, maybe I can make it. If he did get hit by that, I wonder if Yasuo would have inted it. Anyone? I thought we were gonna do it. He might be. Yeah, I don't know why Trist went back bottom. It's kind of insane. Whatevs. Yeah, I thought so. Keep going dead. Like when I'm there, we don't take fights. I thought we had that on Yas. Darius is so good against that too. Like it's just for free. There's a lot you could do. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I see. You don't like the Vayne matchup. That's okay. It's not anything. It's good. I fucked it up there. I thought we were gonna jump, but I didn't think. I should have thrown it the other way so he walked left. Ugh. Oh my god, he let it happen. Brother. Brother. This Twitch is not good. We go in now. We go in now. Yeah, she's gonna get some autos in. It's fine. Thought maybe. So I'm out of here. Got R in 10 seconds, I could always wait just a second. Oh, fucking sucks. Sorry guys, we're gonna lose that one too. I think Helia is still the item to go. 06 Lulu carrying game big time. She roamed around map. It's like none of these guys into it either. Like it just could have held off a little bit on the all-ins. Oh, that fucking sucks. Flame Horizon. Not good. Should do Otacon. Second, like we have such good everything. Yeah. Leave the chance for the Twitch tries an all-in on her. I don't think he can win anyways. Sucks, yeah. What? This guy's really trying. I have a feeling you should have used that, man. Like, I'm not saying I'm playing like a god, but I'm playing really good. And I'm saying we probably should have got a freebie out of that. Continue with this. Don't stop. Wait till it's low and then we go. Yep. Silas' timing is insane there. I don't know. Kind of feel like, okay. Sucks. You guys know we have to get this Drake, yeah? Be a word there. Yeah. Fuck, I fucked it up, guys. Twitch can still. Twitch can still. No, not really. I think that's my shut. Oh, no shutdown on me. 5016, no shutdown BT dubs. Thanks, Rito. Got my back. He got a kill on me and I was 5-0. Shutdown. Really prefer if I didn't have to face check that. Yeah, it's my bad a little bit. No, it's not your fault. That's a little bit me, a little bit Silas maybe. What's he doing? Can't save you. Lulu's still up, I think, yeah. I'm just gonna buy the support item, I don't have enough for a ward. Fuck it. Yes you are. And sometimes Silas's do really well. It's terrible. Chris, hello? Is the farm that important? You got distracted? Very nice. Hopcap, wow. His Flame Horizon. He can't do much there, like, she's just gonna derp up. She did R, it's nice. Ooh, miss cannon sucks. We get Drake too, super bad for them. If they start picking up these Drakes, it could be bad for us, but I guess it doesn't happen. How did they get feats? First kills and Jesus. It's bad. I thought we did good. Meh. Oh, Lulu left. Just let Twitch play alone, that's why. Mm-hmm. We just wait in here. Chris wins anything here for sure. But yeah, we're chilling, I feel. We just wait in here till they show. Oh, we gotta hit that. Nope. Death Brush is good because Windwall isn't necessarily there. They'll run it here. Oh, why'd you show, man? Yeah, we'll go up and get it. It's a regular yellow. It's my last board too, sucks. Kinda don't want to be there. Yeah, chill. Twitch might be here. It's good. Just come chill in the bush. Lulu's there, she's taking my shit. Smooth criminal. Yeah, he's fucked. We need Drake. We need Drake. We don't want them getting soul. We're fine. Just send it, baby. He can't do anything. We go on this. You're fine. You're fine. Yeah, everyone played okay. Not too much whining. Holy fuck, my record sucks. Ugh.
Gentlemen, today's video is probably
Jesus.
my favorites I've ever done on this channel. Questions that I was able to come up with, and he gave me some really interesting answers, and you guys are definitely going to be interested in hearing. Scored many years ago in Korea. One of his friends I played with said, hey man, I know Dopa, here's his Discord, and put a Discord group with me and Dopa. And then I asked Dopa, when I was in Korea, I said, hey man, any chance we could meet? Dopa said, no, I have COVID. And then he said, thank you for being a fan. So that was the end of the conversation for many years. And then this year, I've been sending a few messages back and forth, and I asked him, I said, hey man, I'm doing a video. Would you mind if I send through 10 questions and you use ChatGPT to help translate and answer because his English isn't good? He said, yeah, man. He said, go ahead, bro. So I came up with 10 little questions. Some of them are interesting. Some of them are just a little bit fun tidbits. Twisted Fate doing very well at the moment. So we drop a few CS here to Lissandra. The number one question I asked him, I said, Dopa, what roles are the strongest, and rank them 1 to 5? I asked him this around about 2-3 weeks ago, and he finally got back to me. So that's based on the current patch. He said jungle 1, mid and support are equal. Then he said top, the least strong position in solo queue, 80 carry. I think that's really a no-brainer. I mean, that's what I would have said something similar. I'm not gonna lie. So he's running Comet into some of these mages short range like Lissandra and Talia. He does do Comet. He actually ran Comet when I versed him. And a lot of people were begging me to ask him about me. But second question, I said, what year do you feel you were your strongest? Season 4 to 8. So bro pretty much said to me that he peaked 7 years ago. Which is essentially when solo queue really stopped being solo carry and more team oriented, you know. Back in the day, you used to be able to play Kassadin, get a lead, and 1v9. You can't do that in League of Legends anymore. It's not like a 1v9 game, because you get a lead and then you're worth a huge bounty, and it's just so much harder to like snowball and 1v9 the game as a one unit. So when Dopa back in the day was playing Corki, Kassadin, Zed, things like this, there's no doubt he feels in his head, especially when he was a little bit younger, he's about the same age as me, that his mechanics were at peak. So we get a nice little early game. Graves, ping, ping, ping. Head back. Gets the double ruby. Now Dopa sometimes into things like Talon is going full damage, like Ludens, but mostly it's still Roa setup and more aggressive summoners like Electrocute and Comet. Now, this is going to be a controversial one, right? I said, do you feel if you had fully committed to professional play and not been banned, you could have had a similar legacy to Faker? Now that's a pretty big, bold question, but I thought I'd throw it out. He said, not even close, full stop. So, for the people saying, oh, Dopa would have been better than Faker if he hadn't been banned, even Dopa, maybe he's humble, but even he says, ult straight in, says Thresh. Oh. I thought I'd just put a couple of easy questions. A very fast pace. And focuses more on micro than macro. How do these developments and daily life, if it did at all? Any positives or negatives you feel after completing? I felt really great. The downside, taking a year and a half off, maybe lose my game sense. The upside, my physical health has improved a lot. He lost league skills, but developed life skills. Now, this one actually kind of hurt my soul. Hurt my soul quite a lot. Because people know I am not a casual gameplay enjoyer. But he said, I would make the ARAM augment mode permanent. I have not even played ARAM or the new mode, or don't even know what he's talking about. So that's a bit of an L by me, but if you know one that you've been all waiting for, who is the strongest player you have ever versed in your entire career? Now, obviously you guys know I have versed Dopa. Dopa has versed many professionals over countless years. Chovy, Beifang, Faker. I mean, literally Uzi, every pro you can think of, Dopa has versed. And I was maybe expecting some type of mention of myself, but unfortunately, to the surprise of no one, he did not mention me. The strongest player Dopa has ever versed. One word, Faker, full stop. Just complete respect to Faker and the GOAT. Doesn't even say like, oh...
Gonna try to pull me off that. Yeah. Ah, it hits. Fuck. God, I hate playing against this guy. Ah. Ah. Blue dumb champ. He's gonna have to double cast that at least. Doesn't matter. I'm leaving anyways. Yeah, get it. Here, oh, we're gonna go mana crystal here. Double pot, fuck away. Yeah, I don't think you can fight though, it's not me, right? Oh my god, he stayed, that's insane. I'm not gonna be able to push that wave fast enough, I don't think. Yeah, I think he slow bladed too much. Now we plan for Hui. Real Hui. Oh my god, is that really? I never see people step like that. It's okay. God, I hate playing against this guy so much. Goes back and gets Lost Chapter, he does a limited mana for the rest of the game. So annoying. We have like a good jungler too. Good jungle champion rather, not a good jungler, you know what I mean. I'm not flashing that. I don't know how he hits that. They must have a ward there. Ah, or I'm just bad. I don't fucking know. Seems kind of sus. If we had like a Lee or something, he could just be like repeat gank like over and over and over again, but instead I just lose. Whatever. No tower hits at least. Kinda sucks. Wish Sion had R. Yeah, I know, dude. No Alistair can come. Bye, dude. We'll see if this is like some weird script right here. There's no way he can see me. Ah, I wish we had like Lee or something like that. He could just be repeat ganked. It's so fucking hard for Hui to get away from these things, especially when he continuously casts his escape spell. Oh, hell yeah, it feels amazing. Yeah, I see it. I'm never getting pushed, my guy. Dog, do you really? Yeah, give me. Thank you. Okay. Let's pick the jungler. Sucks to be you, Poppy. Oh, that fucking sucks. Whoops. And get more push out of this. Oh, there he is. He just immediately uses the harass pattern again. It's fine. Ow. That's unfortunate. Okay. My bad. Getting a very free lane sucks. Bad time for me to die too. Ah. Oh, Nami. Feels so good. Oh my god, Nami's good. I'm gonna have to R. I'm gonna R the wave. Shows up. Yeah. Goodbye. I could have got chunked for everything there, for sure. Oh, what the fuck? And what the fuck? Getting a little bit of help. So good, Hui. So good, man. Now we play. I don't think we can just win this. Yeah, just don't get hit. Okay, here, watch. Yeah. That's fine. That anything there is really good. Just fucks them up. Not that like it's super good for me, I'm fucking behind, but give it a team. Damn. I'm gonna shove this before I come. Hell yeah, got them all. Ooh. This is gonna be a Horizon focus, I think. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, it's tough. So is this gonna like brush camp and shit until he gets a freebie again, because he can just play on tower all game. Such a bad champ to play on tower too, like, sucks. We don't have a real jungle champion. Like, I walk away when I get on tower like this, but he gets to play on tower. Yeah. Bye. He's gonna keep playing too, like, no worries in the world. Yep. Absolutely no worries about what's going on here. Let's play on tower, it's fine. That's insane. Like, if I played like this, I'd die a million times. I'm just gonna run the wave again, still. Get that going. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I have to play back, I understand. Very important for me to play back. He plays up, just fuck it. No, I don't have to play back on that though, he's gone. Still fucking around. He wins. Ooh. But wait, she left a ward in the bush. What an awful piece of shit. Here you go. We just chill. I'll use Phase Rush to get out. I hope. Oh no, Lucian. I'm bad, report me. Oh. I feel like we could have just done that better. Oh. Probably just this, we can get it, I guess. What is it? 2 legendary items, right? Probably want this. Yeah. Yeah, you go mid, dude. It's fine. It's hard to play against Sway, but that's okay. He's bad late. Not good late. Yeah, we know she's gonna go melee, it's fine. Yeah, you're good. You're bad, bad news. Yeah. Nice. I can't teleport anymore. Gotta stay here. I should probably actually just ult the wave again. TBH. They're losing. Let's go. Ah, it's too bad. Go ahead, Lucian. That looks like he cast his shit. Okay. This might contest. I gotta stay. It's gonna be like that. I think we just go for Otacon. I can teleport in 4 seconds. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna. Okay. I'm not gonna art that. I don't think it's worth it. Also, just don't think she dies probably. Maybe, I don't know. Nah, she's got armor, like tower damage not that high. Okay. Yes, I get caught. Agreed. Ah, it's a whiff. Alistair inting again? Super weird, dude. You give Hui a go here, honestly. I'm gonna try to cross up top. Actually, I'm gonna back. I'll get this. Okay, let's go one more damage item because they're not really playing. Ornn? Oh shit. Maybe Liandry's? Do we have? Okay, Liandry's it is. I don't know what they're doing. Why are we giving up river is a good question. Yeah. Yeah, I can't do that, unfortunate. go. You argue. He's unironically gonna play this out, eh? Yep. Goodbye. Gotta play absolutely anything, never lose because of it. It's fucking... Draven Bromben knows his shit. Tito. No need. P. Support of Boop while he does his press R. May as well give it a go. I think if we hit, it's just over for them. Yes, it is. That'll be bot gank first. Bad split. Bad. Hoppy has Dark Harvest, BT does. Goys. We get free wit here. There we go. Nice. You would think that would be bad. Just don't get stunned, we win, man. Gotta get the laugh in. Ah. E-girl vibes here. Having a hard time. Where are you going? Why go up? No, they're both gonna die. Yeah. I should have ignited there if I had it, but I didn't realize. Fuck Silas, that sucks. Get XP. No ego. No ego. No ego. That's what I mean when I say ego, by the way. Yeah, pretty much. Got a high skilled support here. Whatever. Gave you the CS. That'll never work over the wall, it's too big of a creep wave. Put ourselves in the same problem they put themselves in. That doesn't matter, dude. Of damage reduction. That fiddles may have made him, like, shit a brick there. Poppy ooh, hell yeah. Poppy comes, I turn up on Poppy. Okay, Timo, good. Good blind. Now she's totally safe. 100%. Okay, bye. Well played, guys. Big win. You don't get this. Wait, or I'm gonna get this. See if he did Drake. There's a 0% chance, yeah? Was he 6th? No. Oh, fuck. Go make it work. Oh, I got killed. Doing camps. I don't know. It worked. I mean, it worked. Oh yeah, it's definitely a girl. I missed that ward. She won't auto attack it. I'm fucking pretty pissed, not gonna lie. Come! Do you think we're weak? You think like if they show up as like 5, even like 3, we lose? Nice. Ugh, sucks. Oh my god. I'm losing HP on account of this Teemo awesome shroom locations. Kind of our end redemption soon. That's so damn close. I almost had my R. Sucks. Which one do I want? Probably this. I just entered them a lot too. Shit. Run away all the way? Just click. You took a tower hit and now, oh good. Very close to working, I'm sure. God damn, dude. Need to get away. I think I'm faster than her. Him destroy the first turret is fucking crazy there. Yep, you girl, for sure. Fuck, I should just take farm. Kill the Andres or something. Okay. MF ints again? We lose game? The fucking int again? Fiddles doesn't realize. Oh, that's up his ass. You guys suck. Like, how can I... Skip this. They just got feats off of. Oh. Again, turns out I need this in order to live through the game. How the fuck does he have a shutdown? Fuck it, man. You're fucking this. Hi, dude. To be honest. What a joke. Fiddles needs full damage that game for sure. What the fuck is OBS? Oh. Search profiles, work, delete, yes, why do I have these? Yes, delete, yes, why do I have these? When I open it, is it working? Yeah, oh jeez. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude.
You beat him with two, let's fucking go.
Okay. Hey guys. Oh, hello? Could anything on this? Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
What up?
Not much. Give me a minute, guys. Let me fix this.
I'm sorry if you hear double, we're sitting beside each other.
Oh, I'm not hearing it, so hopefully good. Okay, Steam. I have a suspicion I'm lagging really bad. I don't know. It seemed like I was kind of dropping shit before.
Oh my god. You need more things to get you to survive.
Wait, what?
I'm just talking to Colleen here.
He's fiddling with my stuff. Now that I was sitting beside him.
You need balanced landing.
We
So
moved my
most-
TV into the living room.
The most important spell, you just fall off of something and then run away. Just make sure you're up high all game and then you
The big
fall.
problem is, can you find something to fall off?
That's the
We
trick.
will.
You always go second floor,
We
and then when they
will.
run at you, you just use it, and then they fucking rage because they try to chase you for a couple of seconds and realize you're really far away.
We'll see how we play because I'm across the room from my TV. And it's...
You cross the Rubicon.
We'll see.
D&D tonight. We're on, yeah?
We are on.
Allegedly.
Oh, we're on.
We have some trials to get through.
Oh yeah.
Individually?
Yep.
Wow. Are they easy trials?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Great, login reward. Everyone needs that.
What's your advent calendar?
Alright, go guys, go.
He's gotta add you.
Yeah, I know.
Oh shit, I missed.
Should I invite Ryan?
Yeah, if he's on.
It's not lunchtime. We go?
Well, it's not lunchtime for normal folk. I think he left this this Discord, so...
He did. You know what, I'm not gonna mess with him because he said he was doing something already today. I love how you still have the thing where you're like, is he eating? It's like a meme now.
Listen,
Yeah.
he fucked with me.
He didn't!
No, he did. It was a very simple of, are you coming to play? And then he like, no, I'm fucking eating. Like, bro, okay. Eat your food, bro.
Like 2
He
years
acted
ago.
like he was like a fucking villager who like, and I was like his landlord, and he hasn't eaten in years.
Yeah.
He acted like I wanted to take his food away.
Yeah.
Christ. So now I laugh about it every time.
Gotta do it.
Probably not the worst thing that he's been remembered for.
What do you mean?
Well, that whole false accusation trial.
I don't think that's a bad thing to be remembered for. I feel like fucking just like in highly autistic experience. A little bit.
Average autistic male experience.
Yeah.
He raped me. I've never looked at a woman before. in my life.
I think the reason why it's an autistic male experience for him is because there's no way he should be dating like a dumpy broad.
Alright, it's Ghoul. We just go in basement and hide down there and waste his time.
What is it? What is that? What does Ghoul do?
Ghoul is fucking ridiculous. Listen, it's bugged as fuck, so he can like launch himself at you across map and get a hit. It's bullshit.
Okay.
You'll see.
Come down.
It
I'm in
happens every
I'm in
single
basement.
game.
I'm in basement.
Alright, we're working with Jen.
He's coming.
He's got a cool theme. Oh my god, I hear him. Oh my god, I am lagging. What did he just do? He just like sprayed something above me?
No.
I heard a kinda gross sound.
Dog! From across the fucking map!
Where
Yo,
is
this
he?
This level's cool.
He'll be with you in a fucking half a second.
Oh, I'm looking at him right now. He's cool looking.
No.
He's just an anime kid. With like his soul. I would like to have this gin, please.
I don't know what this guy does at all.
You'll see in a second, and you'll be like, how did he do that? And then you'll want to kill yourself.
Oh my god, don't do that. I don't know this level.
Oh, of course.
Baby, why don't you look behind you?
Why do you look at me?
Because you're really hiding in a corner. Go work a jet!
I'm trying to get a win.
Run across map! There you go.
Can he jump up the flight?
Listen, he can do whatever he wants. It doesn't matter. Heal my ass.
He's towards the room with the pallet beside us. He's that way.
Yeah, we're fine.
He probably just kicked a pallet underneath us on the other side.
Ooh, I cannot.
Fang is breaking
see.
his legs, it doesn't matter.
Breaking his fucking ankles hard.
Yeah. Listen, Fang gets cunnilingus after this game.
Where is he?
I might have to sit in the chair.
Why, you can't see?
Yeah.
Man, where is he?
He left her. She
No.
broke his fucking ankles too hard, yeah. Oh, no, holy shit, this girl. You need to, like, message her after this fucking game is done and be like, yo.
I'm in so much shit, I'm
Do you
lagging
need-
out. And,
Do you need
he's
head?
near me. Yeah.
Holy shit, she finally went down. Jesus Christ.
I should have stayed near. I have a toolkit. I could have sabotaged. Just fucking... How rage-inducing would that be if I sabotage that?
I think it would be fucking hilarious.
Oh, I'll heal. You know. Okay, or move. Does this guy have a Wesker radius?
I don't know.
Josh, are you getting her or no?
Yeah, I'll get her in a second. I'm just...
Regent.
I don't think we are. Because there's 4 gens left.
Yo! From around the corner!
I'm going to get her. Where are
He didn't
you?
even know I was there!
I'm going to get her.
He's going back to her, that's how bad he wants her to hang there.
Find a walker.
He's after her. Fuck. He's trying to rinse her.
Yo, can you help her?
Rip gens. She's gonna die, and we all message after game. I can't really message though.
Oh my god,
shit.
she has nice
Oh
strike.
my god! Oh my god! Yo! The second she did that, I'm so surprised that we didn't get a notification of him leaving. Do you know what I mean? Like the game just ends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Holy shit, how do you not kill yourself?
Dude, that's a leave. I've never seen this level before. It's cool.
I just want them to get away from this tile so I can get out of the locker. Okay. I can get out of the locker now.
She went down near me, but I don't think near enough. Are you running, Josh? Yeah,
Yo,
yeah.
come
Get
save
him,
her, she's on a pallet, come save her! Come save her, she's on a pallet, pick him up! He's picked her up! Hit the pallet!
Shh! Shh!
Oh my god. Alright, I'm on a pallet too, come back. Just wait, yep, he's coming to get me. He's coming... He's going to break that pallet?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, he's got me. Yep. Oh, never mind. Oh. Pick it up.
Bye, Josh. The chain! Make sure she gets hit. Maybe? Dog. Colleen, we need your help so bad. Come,
I can't.
please.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, I want you to get us
Pick up.
Yeah.
Start with him. He's got more health.
Yeah. And then we get Josh immediately following. Okay, get Josh. No, you didn't get me!
I thought it.
Get Josh.
Don't. right.
Fuck.
Carrying me away? Oh, there's a hook here. Alright, we're gens, I guess. Oh, Alex got abandoned.
DC'd?
Yep.
It looks like I'm DC'd.
Yeah, you're DC'd.
I'm DC'd in a good spot though, because I was doing a gen and the bot will be doing the gen.
No, the bot immediately came to get me off hook and then died.
I thought that might happen. Sorry, guys.
Need to restart your internet? What's going on?
I don't know. Do a latency test and see how it is. If it's really bad, I'll just go. Can you guys hear it in my voice, or no? Is it just coming through?
No, you sound clearly.
Okay, so it's not the internet. It's something else. If you hear me, it's not that, right?
Yeah, no, you sound crystal clear.
Okay. Run speed test. I shouldn't right now because it's running. No, it's fucking really good right now, actually. And if you hear me, the upload's got to be good too.
Restart the client, maybe?
I don't think it's this because I was playing something before and it was crapping out too. But so my latency is 25 ms, my megabyte 60, upload 25. It's awesome right now. Like it should never crap out. I guess I'll just restart DVD and see if that helps. Maybe. I don't know. I don't think that's gonna help though. I just think it was like intermittently crapping out for some reason. Okay,
Are we 3-gen?